Hey y'all, it's Jaila aka JaiChanellie here. Welcome back to the channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's get right into it. So your girl revamped an old wig and made my own V-part wig. So I'm going ahead and showing you that process today. Don't ask me where I got the wig because I'm not going to tell you. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's a closure wig and I'm literally just going to cut down the middle part of the closure. And that is essentially our V shape. So let me go ahead and show y'all that. It's looking like a nice little V. And then I went ahead and got these clips from Amazon and I'm going to sew the clips inside. I put 2 clips on each side of the V and then one in the very back. It was a very janky process, so I did not show it to you. But trust me, that's what it looks like. And then we're going to go ahead and install this bad boy. So here I am. Look at me. TBT, I recorded this last year. You know when I recorded this if you actually watch my videos, because my nails will tell you all you need to know. Okay, so right now I'm just parting out my V-part leave out. My hair is freshly blow dried and very lightly flat ironed. As you can probably tell, my roots have completely reverted. So yeah, we're working on old hair. I just want to try this whole process out. Because I refuse to purchase a V-part wig, and I'll go ahead and tell y'all about why I refuse to purchase a V-part wig in a second. But you just see right now I'm literally putting my hair in a bun because this is an experiment, y'all. I'm not wearing this out of the house, okay? So let's go ahead and clip our V-part wig down using the clips that we went ahead and sewed in. Again, I put 2 on each side of the actual V and 1 at the base of the V. And I'm just letting y'all know right now, it was very uncomfortable. These wig clips were not the best. Okay, so now that we've installed a janky V-part wig, let's go ahead and actually style it. So that is what we're going to do in the next clips. So first things first, you're going to see me go in with heat protected and a heat serum. And then we are going to try to blow this hair out first. I'm using my Revlon One Step hair dryer and styler. If you did not just see the video I posted on this hair dryer, I'll go ahead and link it up above. But this is like my go-to whenever I'm just trying to blow dry something out, which it looked cute for a second, but then I don't know, y'all, my hair kept reverting, the wig kept reverting, so we had to go in with some reinforcement. Okay, so now you're gonna see me go in with my flat iron, and I am going to very lightly press out my hair. I want to say this flat iron is on like 330, something very low. Okay, but I was just trying to make my roots blend because for some reason the roots, listen, the roots wanted to be African American. They did not want to be Caucasian, so they were fighting against any type of heat I put on them. But this is essentially what I'm trying to do, is blend my texture with this texture. Yeah, it wasn't really working. But let me tell y'all why I refuse to purchase a V-part wig. Okay, I mentioned this in my last video about my U-part wig, and why I have a bone to pick with these V-part units. Y'all, tell me why the V-part conception or the V-part concept, it was stolen from a black-owned company, y'all. So there's a black-owned company that had the idea of like a thin part unit with minimal to no leave out. They're called Innovative Weaves, and that is essentially where they got the whole V-part concept from. And now all these companies are stealing their idea, and I just can't get down with that. So that is the reason I have such a bone to pick with these V-part companies, because they're literally biting off of a black-owned business. And yeah, no, I cannot condone that. So that's why I was just like, let me go ahead and get an old dusty wig from out of my wig bag, and I'll make my own V-part before I purchase a V-part, because I'm not going to be stealing from black people. Okay. But yeah, y'all gonna see me put some curls in this unit that they're not going to do anything. My hair just was not blending. It was not a day for me, but it's fine. Oh yeah, and by the way, I'm not telling you where this wig is from because it's from a failed sponsorship. I made the whole video and then they ghosted me, but it's fine because it was during the pandemic and, you know, people were dying. So yeah, we just had to take that L. This is how my hair turned out. Once again, the hair is not blending, babes. Okay, the hair is poofing right on up. couldn't do anything about it. Okay, you hate to see it, you truly hate to see it, but I tried. And yeah, I probably will give V-Parts another try in the future, but maybe something that actually blends and nothing that I have to, you know, put heat on my hair for, because I don't be doing that anyways. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to hit that subscribe button. Also like this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.